One of the, I would say, stylish entrepreneur and business tycoon of Mumbai, which used to be known as Bombay. And we are just grabbing this opportunity to have a conversation with Sahib Bhai Kantaria. Sahib Bhai, first of all, that KDF, what does that stand for?
It stands for Kantharia Dairy Farm. It's a gift from my father and grandfather. A pure milk, which is every baby's and adult's birthright. They taught me to give pure milk to people. Just supply it. Money will come, respect will come, love will come, and new generation will be stronger.
And very briefly, tell us something about yourself. Where were you born, and then
About
the
me,
level you are now, how you have reached this level.
I'll keep it very short here, right? You guys are more bigger than me. You people have more reputation than me. I'm just trying to be a human and just stay through this world. This guy is my mentor. This guy is my mentor. This guy is my mentor. I am a champion. Khalid bin Walid is my hero, and I want to die like Hamza. I hope everyone is getting that. I hope everyone is not getting that. It's that way. Anyways, I will love to have this book.
Okay.
He is giving me this book as a gift. And trust me, I've never looked forward to read a book more than this. I am looking forward to visit Buckingham Palace, have tea or coffee with the prince reading this book, discussing about this book with Imtiaz Bhai, inshallah.
Side by is talking about this book, which is the British Indian Gujarati Muslim communities. It's a 70 years of documentation of history and heritage of those people living in Britain. It took us 5 years to complete, of course, with the help of Farooq Bhai and 26 volunteers. And basically, the book is written for young generations, for my kids, for Shahid Bhai kids, for Farooq Bhai kids, for everybody kids, to remember their roots, to remember their identity. But before I can ask his opinion, Shahid Bhai, Beavers is one of the largest digital and social platform in the UK, viewed in more than 13 countries. Now our followers in the last couple of months from 66,000 gone up to 1.5, now it has gone up to 1.7. We had a very successful launch in Bharuch, in Ahmedabad and in Valland. What is your opinion about the importance of having the objective scientific media for our community?
I'll keep it short, guys. I don't want to bore you, of course. I don't want to be like them. And I'm young at heart. Sorry. I'm 18 at heart. Okay, now. Today is my son's birthday, so happy birthday, son.
Mashallah.
I would love to see you on this magazine and Forbes, okay? Make sure Afifa, Ahmad, Muhammad, you're listening to this. Now, I love this Ambi Valley. It is a beautiful city next to me. I want to build something better than that next to it. That's coming up next. Beavers, I would like to give 10 acres. I would like to invest 10 acres to start a media city here, which is the fifth pillar of the Constitution of India, which is missing. Which is not missing. Dimak High We need people like Ravish Kumar, Fred D'Souza, and you, of course, and me. Trust me, I think I'm made for this, for launching media channel. I started my YouTube channel a month back and I have 18,000 subscribers, Shahrukh.
Yes, yes.
18,000. My house has got view of 900,000 views.
Yeah, sure.
So, if the social media is so impactful, why not use it for our business, mental, sexual, sorry, smoking is injurious to health, guys. I'm an adult, so I guess this is for adults. This is not for kids. This is for kids, for your future. Become like him. Don't become like Modi. Sorry, I am controversial. Because his Hindutva is different than actual Hindutva. Sanatan Dharma. I respect Sanatan Dharma. I respect RSS. I respect Islam, but not Modi Hinduism. I respect Uddhav Thacker's Hinduism. If you understand, you will understand it later. So guys, thank you for everything. Thank you for being our guest. You guys, everyone is welcome to join me. Let me know in advance, and this house is yours. Any Jamaat wants to come, any missionaries want to come, any Hindu activists want to come and stay here. That's the guest room, that's the namaz room, there's the kitchen, veg kitchen, non-veg kitchen, there's the swimming pool. Please use only love, no negativity here. Only positivity. We are born to thrive. There is a saying in English, survival of the fittest.
Absolutely.
And you are a lion.
Thank you, sir.
I am a phoenix. I'm a small anka. You know anka, Arabic word for phoenix? So I
You're
feel
so
like
humble.
that.
You're
I'm
so
humble,
humble.
man.
You're so humble.
I'm my roots. My dad taught me that.
Thank
जेतली
you.
चादर हो इतना पग फैलावा ना.
Yeah.
अल्लाह मोटी चादर आई थी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
Yeah.
वो मोटी हाफिज दी.
Shahid bhai, last quick question. Do you think that documentation of our history and heritage is important for future generation?
This should be introduced in schools.
Thank you, sir.
You should all do your DNA test. I did it. Unfortunately, my suburban guys messed it up, and I have to again give sample. Not because I doubt on my mother or father or something, guys. Because I want to know where I came from. Whether I came from pirates, kings, Nabi. I don't know. I don't know Sahabis. I want to know. If Adam alayhi salam came to Sri Lanka, they should all be white. You understand? They are beautiful people, okay? Beautiful country. You all should go there. It's cheap. 1980s of India. But they are all Buddhist, man. Buddhist is also way to God. There is one God, this is way to God. Media, everything connects you to human. Ashraful Makhlukat. And we are made to do this. Iman has 3 darajat, guys. बुरा देखो, हाथ से रोक सकते हो, रोक दो. हाँ इरफान? Yes. ये चड्डी निकाल, ये तो खींच दूंगा. अगर बुरा नहीं रोक सकते हाथ से, बुरा मानो. जबान से बोलो कि भाई गलत है, मेरी माँ तो गलत है, बोलो, हिम्मत रखो. तीसरा, अगर नहीं कर सकते तो दिल में तो बुरा मानो यार, ये गलत है. How can you justify it? You should be clean at heart, you don't pray namaz, it's okay. No man, no. God, when He created the world, He knew what will happen in 2026. He knew what will happen in 3000 if it is gonna happen. If you die, people tell me I'm mad. I've shifted to the jungle, boss. I have listened to my Nabi. I'm walking Muslim. Walking Muslim. People think people are mad. So, I don't want to come back to concrete jungle unless if there is a good business opportunity. I invite all of you. I'm making a community. I'm making a village. Kantharia Haveli village. Wow. I want my family to be here. And my family is not the family that I came from, not my roots. I want to create a legacy. I want to leave the world smiling with you crying, having a Beavers poster behind me. It should be everywhere. But my hands will be empty, boss. That will be example thing to the world. My son will tell me कि मेरे पापा खुद नहीं लेके गए. He will value money, but he will throw money because it's digital money. It's nonsense. Anyways, lots to learn. This all I've learned from him and him and him after a long day conversation. He is a very young gentleman. This guy is a nature lover. He's a good cook. We need all of us.
Absolutely.
To make a good biryani.
Yes,
He is a young generation, useless people. But a lot. I made him listen to a song called Wear Sunscreen by Buzz Lehman. Srini, I love you for that song. He is a champion. He's been relaxing since morning. I'm jealous of him, man. In my house, I'm jealous of him. But
editor-in-chief.
This guy, if I'm Shah Rukh Khan, he is Billu Barbar.
Oh yes.
He is bodyguard.
Thank you.
One more bodyguard I have in Medina. His work is only to go and pray Salami 5 times and make dua for me in Masjid al-Nabi. He's from Huzur Al.
Okay. Thank you.
So nothing bad can happen to me. boss.
Editor-in-chief.
He's editor-in-chief.
of Beavers India.
तुम सबको टोपी पहनाओ. मेरा कजिन है नकीब, वो अच्छी टोपी पहनाता है, उससे मिलाता हूँ तुम्हारा. मेरा भाई साजिद, I miss you. My kids, my mentors, my dad, I love you, man. Strawberry milkshake in a better bottle. Packaging is on the cards, inshallah soon. Smoking again is injurious. If I could reverse back time and change one thing, trust me, I would pro this. I would never smoke in my life. This is cancer. This is worst thing you can do to yourself, your kids, your family. Please don't smoke. No daru, alcohol. Jannat mein piyenge sharabe tahura. I am waiting for it. We all will
Inshallah.
smoke there. We all will drink there. But let's not do it there. Let's follow our purpose. Let us be. What the izu mantasha, what the zillu mantasha. Bukhari Sharif says, innamal amalu bin niyat. You get translation and you can do it, guys. And one last thing. हम आए इस जहाँ में लोग आप जैसे खूबसूरत लोग मिलते गए, कारवा बनता गया. जिस दिन मुस्कुराते, okay, I tell you this one last song from song Zinda movie. सर उठाकर खड़ी हो कब्र पर मेरी जिंदगी, ऐसे मरना है मुझे. जितना मिला काफी है, जिंदा हो यार काफी है.
अच्छा शेर.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
As you can see, there's a lot to talk with Shahid Bhai. He has got his business perspective, he has got his social experiences, religious experiences, his encounters with time, places, and people, his philosophy. But I'm sure that this is not going to be the first and last interview with him. It's just that, spontaneously I recommended Shahid Bhai to give us some time so that we can listen to him. We are going to interview.
Imran bhai, you made me sentimental. Sorry, I'm sorry to jump in. But guys, make schools. Don't make masjids anymore. Huzur has said कि तामीर में पैसा खर्चा करो. Please make schools. Education is what will take our generation ahead. Teach them morals, teach them Islam, definitely. But education, school will create the beavers that nothing else can. Now one of our Molvis, they are telling you make education. They are making schools. They were telling us don't send girls to school. Their wives are becoming teachers and doctors.
Yes.
Don't follow Molanas. Follow a right Molana who is educated. Not a guy who is making you preach Arabic. Let him do this job. You ask a Mufti who has done his PhD, like my friend Khalid Bhai from London, like Saeed Waza, like Salim Amanji.
Yeah.
They are man to follow, man. You know what I'm saying? Like Sultan Uncle. Don't follow, sorry, like my maternal family. They were good people, but they are in taklif. Dua karjo.
Inshallah.
Jai intekal the gaya bata tha ki dua karjo. My father especially, he is the reason I am here today. My grandfather and everyone, every Muslim, every human in this world, we are here for love, not hate. Spread love.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll have
we
to
don't
end
need
this-
editors. If we speak from heart,
Yeah.
trust me, we don't need editors.
Yeah, we'll have to end this interview, Shahid Bhai, because this interview is going to go live in 2 minutes. But this is part 1. There will be part 2. There will be part 3 because Shahid Bhai has got tremendous amount of knowledge and skills and experiences to share. Thank you, sir.
If I was
And
gay, he would be my wife.
we'll definitely have to edit this. But on behalf of Beavers, we would like to say big thank you to Shahid Bhai and Kanthaiwala family for hosting us here so nicely. Shah Rukh Khan cooks us wonderful, very tasty food as well. Atmosphere is very nice. So this is Imtiaz Patel Variawala here along with my producer, CEO and founder Farooq Bhai Uradar and editor-in-chief Iqbal Bhai, all the guests, Beavers Team India, UK, and our wonderful magician, editor, studio manager, Sadab Bhai. Keep watching Beavers, keep supporting Beavers, and you know that Beavers connecting everybody from local to global and global to local. Thank you.
We miss you, Iqbal bhai. We miss you, everyone. I miss you, mom. I love you. Bye.
Thank you.